Hello, my name is Ben Gofreit. I'm a program developer at the AI Medical Lab in the biomedical faculty of the Technion here in Israel. And today I will be demoing our newest LirotAI app, which is an app used for retinal image analysis using artificial intelligence. Um, and we've developed this app to give access to doctors that want to run different AI modules that were developed in our lab over retinal images. So after you download the app, which is currently available for iOS and iPad, after you download it, you register in a standard way. You accept the terms and conditions, which are available here in this screen. And then you can access this homepage. From here, you can see our links to the papers of the modules which the app allows you to run, our contact email, and the website for the app. If you want to start a new experiment, you just either click on this button or you go here to this from the sidebar. So firstly, you have to type your experiment name. Please use something that will allow you to come back. For example, patient 0. So I probably will want your patient name or something like that. And then you need to select the modules that you want to run over your image or images. Segmentation is a module that segments the optic disc and the blood vessels in the image. Vasculature biomarkers computes biomarkers over those segmentations. And you notice that when I click the biomarkers, I have some toggles that are shown. I have, for example, region of interest, which uses a fixed region of interest around the optic disc to calculate the biomarkers. I have the heat map, which is to calculate additional explainability over the image to explain how the AI module came to this prediction. And I also have this vasculature biomarkers fractals, which is only relevant for the vasculature biomarkers module, which calculates additional biomarkers, but we give it as an option since it may take additional runtime and CPU. So you can select your modules. Let's say I want all of them. Let's say I want also a heat map. And then after you click next, you can either upload your own image from the file system on your device, or if you just want to try out the application, you can use some of our provided free-to-use example images, and it gives a bunch of them, and you can also just easily take just one or two, and I'm just taking for this example just these two. And after you click next, there's a confirmation screen. You can see the images that you selected and the modules. And once you click start, then basically the app is now running the different modules over your images. You're not supposed to like play around with the app during this time. And it will take approximately 10 to 15 seconds per image, depending on the different module that you selected. And I will cut you back shortly. All right, so the app finished computing the AI, all of the different modules over the images that we sent, and we have this nice pop-up. And now we can either dismiss it, go to the analysis later, or open it right now. And we can see the patient 0 experiment here in the previous experiment screen. You can choose which image you want. And here we enter this analysis section. You can see the different layers that we calculated over the image. So if I turn everything off, I can see there's this optic disc, there's the cup in yellow. Lesions, there are no lesions in this image, so it will be empty. We can see, as I said earlier, Here in the bottom, we can see that this actually is a negative glaucoma image, and we see that the glaucoma probability is very low. And when we want to understand how the module came to this decision, we can turn on the heat map like this. And you can see that it focused mostly over the center of the image, the ischemic cap. And also we can here see the blood vessels. And you can also even double click to zoom if you want to see more, or if in the iPad, just like regular zoom. Finally, we have here the analysis results, and you can see for each module, the name of the module, the module that we ran over this module, and the value. And you can see that there are some null values here, which are corresponding to the fractals that we didn't calculate in the earlier screen because they took more runtime. Here you can collapse this screen, and you can also share the results as a CSV, or if you would like, and you would also like to share the results of the previous image, you can use this button, which will merge all of the results and send it to you as give you the option to share it as one CSV. So this is currently the usability of the app. We plan to add more modules, more features to it. So stay tuned.